Alright, my wife's Conair makeup mirror, the light bulb burned out, and I thought I'd show you how to replace the bulb and upgrade it, make it a little brighter. So on this particular mirror there's a screw on either side. You just take those screws out with a Phillips screwdriver. Then you pull off the top, or the front, I guess you would call it. And inside you can see there's a light bulb. Now you can replace this bulb. It says to call Conair and order their bulb. And it says 20 watt maximum. But you can get any candelabra base light bulb that is 20 watts or less, and it'll be safe in here. If you use more than 20 watts, it'll get too hot and it's a fire hazard. LED bulbs don't get hot. So here's a incandescent bulb. It is a 25 watt, and I bought it to put it in just because it's all our store had that looked like it was the right size. I really didn't want to have the incandescent bulb in there, but you can see it fits just fine. But my wife said she still wanted it to be a little bit brighter. This bulb is 190 lumens. When I went to, I was at Walmart and I saw these bulbs. They're the, whatever these are, they're 25 watt equivalent. They only use 3 watts of electricity, and they are 200 lumens. So they're a little bit brighter than the one I put, and more importantly, they're safe because they aren't going to get too hot. So I'll show you that you can put this bulb in here. Now it's going to look like it's a tight squeeze. If you just have to maybe lift up a little on the base to get it to screw in, but it fits in just fine. There it is. And I will replace the top and I'll turn it on and show you that it works. And there you have it. It is plugged in. I'll go ahead and turn it on. Alright, after changing the bulb and putting in these LEDs, my wife said she likes it better. It's a little bit brighter. And anyway, it's a way to upgrade your makeup mirror if you have one, and it'll still be safe if you use an LED. Just don't put in a 25 watt incandescent bulb. Alright, hope this is helpful. Thanks.